as I try to transform my home into a power-generating machine using biogas systems. Welcome to a new age of energy independence. Imagine transforming food scraps and waste into clean, renewable energy right in your backyard. That's the power of biogas systems. As the world turns to renewable energy to combat fossil fuel dependency, biogas emerges as a frontrunner. Biogas systems are an innovative solution that's gaining traction in residential settings, turning waste into renewable energy. It's amazing to think that the trash we throw away can actually be used to power our homes. But why should it matter to us as a family in this generation? Stick around to discover how this innovation can reshape your lives. The world is facing a serious energy crisis, with rising costs and a growing dependence on non-renewable sources. Traditional energy sources are not only expensive, but also have a devastating impact on the environment. The way we dispose of waste is also a major concern, with landfills overflowing and polluting our planet. For instance, have you ever thought about where your food scraps and yard waste end up? Most of it ends up in landfills, producing methane, a potent greenhouse gas. This not only harms the environment, but also wastes a valuable resource. Frequent power outages and high costs make daily life unpredictable. But there's a bright side: renewable energy. So what if I told you there's a way to tackle both energy costs and waste management at the same time? Biogas systems are designed to do just that. Biogas systems are not just about energy. They're about accessible, sustainable solutions for everyone. They facilitate waste management and energy production, addressing our pressing power issues head-on. Imagine a third-world country where power shortages are a thing of the past. That's the promise at our doorstep.
Okay, so how does this magic work? Biogas production involves the breakdown of organic materials like food waste and animal manure in a controlled environment.
This process produces a methane-rich gas, which can be used for cooking, lighting, and even generating electricity.
Not only does this reduce waste, but it also provides a cleaner, cheaper energy alternative. Picture this: a dinner prepared using energy literally collected from yesterday's kitchen scraps, all while reducing your carbon footprint and saving money. In Lagos, Nigeria, Olufem's courtyard digester powers quiet, reliable cooking during outages. 2 kids pitch in, bringing kitchen scrap and keeping the inlet clean and sealed. How do we achieve this? Olufemi explained, "We turn ordinary scraps into clean biogas right here at home. First, we separate feedstock cleanly, no plastic so the digester stays healthy. Let us step outside to see the layout we built for safe household biogas. Anaerobic digestion is simple. Feed, seal, and let microbe work, then capture gas. Are you concerned about odor and safety? We use a water trap, gauge, and proper venting to take care of all these challenges." Back in the United States, Smith's Homestead pairs biogas with solar panel for steady savings. Teen checks the drying rack. Digestate becomes a soil booster instead of waste. Bills are down sharply, and harvest looks better. Resilience you can measure.
This system helps our community thrive.
Biogas systems offer a practical solution for those looking to live more sustainably. The economic advantages of biogas are undeniable. Lowered energy bills, potential government incentives, and a reduction in monthly expenses provide compelling motivation. Environmentally, biogas helps slash our carbon footprint.
It's more than energy. It's a path to prosperity and ecological balance.
No worthwhile journey is free of hurdles. Financial constraints and lack of awareness remain challenges to the widespread adoption of biogas.
However, there's hope. Educational resources and governmental support can bridge these gaps.
It's possible to make biogas systems as familiar as traditional energy sources, boosting adoption across communities.
The vision is clear: a future where every household sees biogas as a standard energy option. By embracing this technology, we pave the way for a cleaner, brighter tomorrow. Your role? Be a part of the change. Each step towards renewable energy propels us toward a fulfilled, self-reliant community. Let's switch it up the planet. So, what do you think about biogas systems? Have you considered implementing one in your home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please share it with your friends and family. And if you're interested in learning more about renewable energy solutions, check out my book on biogas production at home for novices in the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.